Hello, my name is Eric Griffin with ITM Trading, a precious metals firm in Phoenix, Arizona, and today we'll be talking about how often to buy gold. Now, we get this question a lot, and what it really boils down to is what are your individual goals and objectives, and how does that dictate your buying strategy? So, if you were to, let's say, want 30% or a third, 33% of your overall portfolio into gold, and you needed to liquidate your IRA or some other accounts that you have in order to do that, that might dictate that you have to buy over time, depending on tax hits and whatnot. So, if you wanted to do one big chunk at one time, then you would need to figure out how to do that. If, let's say, you only had 5% in your portfolio and you wanted to add to it, then that might dictate that you're going to buy more. And let's say that you are a person that you don't have a lot saved up for retirement and you need to, let's say, save money in order to buy gold. Gold's at $1,550 an ounce roughly. So if you needed to save up to buy an ounce of gold, well then your saving strategy is going to dictate when you can buy it. Now, typically prices for gold and silver, if you look at the last 10 years, have been down in the summertime. So, meaning summertime is typically there's a lull, it's a good time to buy. So you could buy every summer. It's really going to depend on what your goals and objectives are. Now, if you bought any time during the trend cycle and you were in it for long term, you'd be up. Gold and silver have both been rising for the last 10 years in a row. In fact, gold has not had a single down year yet. It's always closed higher than the previous year. So no matter what, if you're buying and holding for the long term, as long as we're riding this bull market trend, you should be fine. Now, past performance doesn't dictate what future gains are going to be. But until this gold bull market really peaks out, you can buy all along the way. But the question is, wouldn't you rather have put a big chunk in at $300 an ounce rather than buying a chunk now at $1,550? Well, the answer there is yes. So if the gold market is going to continue to climb like it has, it's better to put as much money as you're going to get into gold and put it in now than buy some now, buy some next year, buy some next year, because if gold's going to continue to rise, it's only going to get more expensive as you go. So it's just something to give thought to. If you're more of like having to save kind of a strategy, then that's going to dictate when you buy anyways. But if you look at stock traders, people always say buy throughout the trend cycle. Buy it up, buy it down, buy and hold, because buying stocks in a 401k and whatnot is a long-term deal. And that's just a diversity strategy. So if you're looking to figure out what your goals and objectives are and determine what's going to be the best strategy for you, I recommend that you give one of our representatives here at ITM Trading a call at 888-OWN-GOLD. That's 888-696-4653. You can also check us out at itmtrading.com and request a free gold information kit. Other than that, thank you for watching our YouTube channel today.